Alrighty folks, looks like I'm gonna get a little bit of a cold start today. It's not that cold, it's low 30s after it's been in the lower 20s for the past week. And it hasn't been started in a few weeks, but we're gonna fire up the Mack, see how she does in the cold. Check the oil first. You'll be able to hear my chickens in the background. Look at those guys. Ooh. First cold start of the year, and it ain't super cold, but cold enough. Oh yeah, there we go. Let's check this oil. Just so you know, it is cold. Ain't nothing hot about it. And oil's good. Probably add some later, but it's good just for starting. And I'm going to try to do this from the passenger side because that's where the exhaust is. So we're going to climb up in here. Oh yeah. And we're low on it. Okay, so I had to do a little bit of a voiceover here. Finger on the start button. Then I said, oh, check the gear shift. And then she fired right up and it was a little smoky. Well, I had to do the voiceover because it was loud as hell with the low air buzzer. And then the truck, it started right up just fine. All I'm doing is just showing some of the smoke and commenting about how smoky and hazy it is. And so anyways, I go through just talking about how she's the cream of the crop and she's got 90 psi of oil pressure, and I try not to rev it over 95 psi, and she's building air. Now, I absolutely love the Cheech. Makes me feel American. Makes me feel like she's ready for an honest day's work, and I love that about this truck. But I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward now until the low air buzzer comes off. That way you guys don't have to listen to me drone on about this. But it started right up just fine. It only cranked over like 3 times before firing off. And you can see I did a little bit of a fast idle, just raised it a few hundred RPMs and kept it below 95 psi on the oil. I should be checking on the air pressure in just a minute. If you guys have any comments about the video, or if you like things that I do in the video and want to see more, make sure you leave a comment down below, because generally I can't tell what you guys like to see. I just try and show the stuff that I like, and you know, that's pretty much it. Now that we've got most of the air built up, watch your ears, folks. Yeah, she'll make some good cold starts when it gets real far down there. Like to find a stack for it. That way the exhaust is higher up, not on the ground. Woo! There we go, no more buzzer. I need to get a mount for inside here, that way I can go driving some more. Actually videotape it without having to have a passenger. I'm not really revving it up. Like I said, I try not to get it any higher than 95. But She's a good old truck. Just the cream of the crop. I gotta change that. I stuck some motorcycle speakers in here, that way I could listen to music for once. Until I get new sound deadening in here to quiet the cab. I'll wait till she gets down to 70 and then we'll run her up, give her a couple revs there. Battery's still working good. Good old trolley brake for my trailer. Oh yeah. Air pressure is about good. Yeah, it kind of makes me regret putting a little bit of Lucas in here, but usually that's, there she blew off. Usually Lucas is what makes it real smoky. You know, plus I think I got a little bit of oil in the turbo. And there's more smoke. But I'll go ahead and sign off for now, and maybe here after a bit we'll go for a ride. You can see some of the countryside. See you around.
So take a drink if it's finally payday. You got some spare change, and it's Friday, and it feels so good.